Welcome to KwikBites from Jamaica, your go-to podcast for quick, insightful conversations on the latest trends, intriguing stories, and topics that matter to you. Whether you're taking a break or on the move, we're here to keep you informed and entertained in 10 minutes or less. Let's dive in.
The scent of jerk chicken sizzling on a makeshift grill by the roadside is more than just a smell. It's a symphony of flavors that tells a story of tradition, community, and the simple joys of life. Each bite is a reminder of the island's rich culinary heritage, a taste that lingers long after the meal is over. The rhythmic crash of waves against the shore, a constant lullaby that soothes the soul. The ocean's embrace is both gentle and powerful, a reminder of nature's duality. The waves carry with them the whispers of ancient tales, stories of explorers and the dreams of those who gaze upon the horizon, yearning for adventure. The vibrant pulse of reggae music, weaving through the air, thick with humidity and possibility. It's more than just a genre, it's the heartbeat of the island, a rhythm that unites people from all walks of life. The melodies speak of love, struggle, and hope, resonating deeply with anyone who listens. These are the memories of Jamaica that I carry with me, etched deep within my soul. The sunsets, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, are moments of pure magic. Each scene is a snapshot of paradise, a reminder of the island's unparalleled beauty and the serenity it offers. Though I now live thousands of miles away, the island remains a part of me, its vibrant spirit forever intertwined with my own. The photos and memorabilia are not just objects, they are portals to the past, each one holding a piece of my heart and a fragment of my history. I left Jamaica years ago, seeking opportunities beyond its shores. The decision was driven by dreams and aspirations, a desire to explore the world and carve out a new path. Yet with each mile that separated me from the island, a part of me longed to stay, to hold on to the familiar warmth of home. The decision to leave was not easy, a bittersweet symphony of ambition and longing. As the plane ascended, I felt a mix of excitement and sorrow, knowing that I was leaving behind a piece of my identity. The farewells were filled with tears and promises, a testament to the deep connections that bind us to our roots. Yet even as I built a new life for myself, a piece of my heart remained tethered to the island. The flag, the souvenirs, and the map are constant reminders of where I come from, symbols of pride and belonging. They serve as anchors, grounding me in my heritage and reminding me of the journey that shaped me. I followed the news religiously, my chest tightening with each report of hardship, my spirit soaring with every tale of triumph. The stories of resilience and perseverance are a source of inspiration, a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Jamaican people. Each headline is a connection to home, a thread that keeps me tied to the island's pulse. Jamaica, like any nation, is a tapestry woven from both light and shadow. Its landscapes are a blend of lush forests, pristine beaches, and bustling urban centers. The diversity of its people and their stories create a rich mosaic, a complex and beautiful portrait of life on the island. Its beauty is undeniable, a captivating blend of natural splendor and cultural richness. The waterfalls cascade with a mesmerizing grace, the forests teem with life, and the traditional dances are a celebration of heritage and joy. Each element adds to the island's allure, making it a place of wonder and enchantment. But beneath the surface lies a complex reality, a struggle for progress amidst deeply rooted challenges. The urban areas are a testament to the island's growth and potential, yet they also highlight the disparities and obstacles that must be overcome. The markets, filled with vibrant energy, are a microcosm of the island's spirit, a blend of tradition and modernity. It is this struggle, this unwavering spirit in the face of adversity, that defines Jamaica for me. The farmers, fishermen, and artisans are the backbone of the island, their hard work and dedication a testament to the resilience and strength of the Jamaican people. Their stories are a source of pride and inspiration, a reminder of the island's enduring spirit. It is the resilience of its people, their unwavering belief in a brighter future, that fuels my own hope for the island's destiny. The smiles of the children, the gatherings of the community, and the hopeful faces are a testament to the enduring spirit of Jamaica. They are the heart and soul of the island, a beacon of hope and a promise of a brighter tomorrow.
The Caribbean, a necklace of islands strung across the turquoise expanse of the sea, is a region of breathtaking beauty. Its vibrant culture, rich biodiversity, and stunning landscapes make it a true paradise on Earth. Yet, this paradise faces an existential threat: climate change. The once predictable weather patterns have become erratic, and the natural beauty of these islands is under siege. Rising sea levels, more frequent and intense hurricanes, and prolonged droughts are no longer abstract threats, but a palpable reality for Jamaica and its neighbors. The impacts are visible and devastating, affecting every aspect of life. The urgency of the situation cannot be overstated. Immediate and decisive action is required to mitigate these effects and protect the future of the Caribbean. Coastal erosion eats away at Jamaica's shores, swallowing homes and livelihoods. The once stable coastlines are now crumbling, leaving communities vulnerable and displaced. Farmers grapple with unpredictable weather patterns, their crops withering under the scorching sun or drowning in torrential downpours. Agriculture, a cornerstone of the Jamaican economy, is in jeopardy, threatening food security and livelihoods. The very existence of this island nation, a jewel of the Caribbean, is at stake. The natural beauty that draws millions of tourists each year is under threat, and with it, the economic stability of the region.
Caribbean leaders face a monumental task. They must address the immediate impacts of climate change while planning for a sustainable future. They must navigate the complexities of international climate agreements, advocating fiercely for the needs of their vulnerable nations. Their voices must be heard on the global stage to secure the necessary support and resources. They must invest in sustainable practices, transitioning to renewable energy sources and strengthening infrastructure to withstand the intensifying onslaught of a changing climate. This includes building resilient communities that can adapt to new environmental realities. The time for complacency is long gone. Every moment counts in the fight against climate change, and the window for effective action is rapidly closing. The future of Jamaica, and indeed the entire Caribbean, hinges on bold action, on a collective effort to protect this fragile paradise from the ravages of a warming world. It is a call to action for governments, communities, and individuals to work together in safeguarding their home.
The rhythm of life in Jamaica is often punctuated by a darker beat, a beat that disrupts the everyday flow of life and instills a sense of unease among the people. This unsettling drumbeat of violence casts a long, ominous shadow over the island, affecting every aspect of life, from the bustling markets to the quiet neighborhoods. Recent headlines blare with news of curfews imposed in sections of West Kingston, a desperate attempt to quell the surge of gang-related violence that has gripped the area. The fear is palpable, a suffocating blanket that smothers the vibrancy of communities, turning lively streets into zones of anxiety and apprehension. Innocent lives are caught in the crossfire, victims of a cycle of violence that seems intractable and unending, leaving families shattered and communities in mourning. Mothers weep for their children, their cries echoing the anguish of a nation held hostage by fear, their sorrow a testament to the heavy toll of violence.
The roots of this violence run deep, embedded in the very fabric of society, a tangled web of poverty, inequality, and systemic neglect that has festered for generations. A lack of opportunity leaves too many young people feeling hopeless and unheard, their dreams stifled by the harsh realities of their environment. The government's response, often characterized by heavy-handed policing and states of emergency, has done little to address the underlying issues that perpetuate the cycle of violence. While these measures may provide a temporary respite, they fail to offer sustainable solutions, merely putting a band-aid on a deep, festering wound. What is needed is a multi-pronged approach, one that tackles the social and economic disparities that fuel the flames of violence, addressing the root causes rather than just the symptoms. This requires significant investment in marginalized communities, creating opportunities for education, employment, and social mobility, giving people a chance to build a better future. It demands a justice system that is fair and equitable, one that addresses the root causes of crime rather than simply reacting to its symptoms, ensuring that justice is accessible to all. Community leaders and local activists play a crucial role in this transformation, working tirelessly to bring about change and foster a sense of hope and resilience among the people. Through peaceful protests, community meetings, and advocacy, they strive to create a safer, more just society, where every individual has the opportunity to thrive. The vision is clear: a Jamaica where children can play without fear, families can thrive, and communities can flourish, free from the shadows of violence and the whispers of fear.
A Amidst the challenges, glimmers of hope emerge, stories of resilience and determination that illuminate the indomitable spirit of the Jamaican people. One such beacon of hope is the work being done to empower deaf students, breaking down barriers to education and opportunity. In a society where disability is often stigmatized, these students are defying the odds, proving that with the right support, they can achieve anything they set their minds to. Their stories are a testament to the power of education to transform lives and uplift communities. These successes, while heartening, highlight a painful truth. They often exist in spite of, rather than because of, the system.
Jamaica's education system, hampered by underfunding and a lack of resources, struggles to meet the needs of all its students. Imagine the potential that could be unleashed if every child in Jamaica, regardless of their background or circumstance, was given the opportunity to thrive. This is the promise that education holds, a promise that must be fully realized if Jamaica is to overcome its challenges and build a brighter future. Despite all the challenges, whether it's crime, climate change, economic struggles, or social issues, or infrastructure, I believe in Jamaica. I believe in the strength and spirit of its people.
And with that belief, we set the stage for a conversation about hope and progress. This is not just a dream, but a tangible reality we can achieve together. It's a journey that begins with optimism, determination, and a collective effort and a vision for a brighter future. Together, we can build a Jamaica that thrives and prospers.
I believe in the power of our people to push for change. Our resilience and unity have always been our greatest strengths, and together, we can overcome any obstacle. Even from overseas, I stay connected to home because I know that our story isn't finished. The bond we share transcends borders, and our collective efforts can make a significant impact. There's so much potential for growth, and as I continue to read the headlines, I see the seeds of progress being planted. Our economy is on the rise, and opportunities are expanding. I remain hopeful that with the right leadership and the strength of our people, we can achieve remarkable things. Our leaders play a crucial role, but it's the community's spirit that drives real change. We can create the Jamaica we all deserve, a place where our children can thrive, our families can prosper, and our culture can flourish. Together, we can build a brighter future for everyone.
It's great to be hopeful, but hope doesn't build roads or solve crime. Hope alone cannot mend the broken infrastructure or bring justice to the victims of crime. It's a start, but it's not enough. While it's important to stay connected to Jamaica, we have to be realistic. We must acknowledge the harsh realities that our communities face daily. Staying connected means understanding the depth of the issues and not just glossing over them with optimism. The challenges we face aren't new, and they won't be fixed by good intentions alone. Protests and calls for change have echoed through our streets for years. Struggling businesses and slum areas are a testament to the ongoing struggles that require more than just good intentions. It's easy to say that change will come with the right leadership, but we've been saying that for decades. Political rallies and elections have come and gone, yet the promises made often remain unfulfilled. Discussions about politics are frequent, but action is rare. Maybe it's time we admit that the problems run deeper, and until we tackle those root causes, corruption, inequality, lack of infrastructure, hope is all we'll have. Addressing police corruption, bridging the gap of inequality, and improving infrastructure are essential steps. Without these, hope remains a distant dream, a mere flicker in the face of overwhelming challenges.
Thanks for tuning in to Quick Bites from Jamaica McCrazy. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a bite-sized update. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you'd like to hear next. Catch you in the next one.